It's a video presentation of the Haas VF1. Running the spindle right now. About 2,500 RPMs. Go handle jog. Get the P-Cool running right now. Chip auger. And we'll go ahead and simulate a tool change. This does have the 4th axis ready. Floppy drive RS-232 port. This is serial number 11130, manufactured 8 of 97. Looks like it's got a newer vector drive in it from the year, and then it's got the 4th axis card there. 7,500 RPM. Floppy chip conveyor, extended one megabyte of memory, programmable coolant, quick code, 4th axis, brushless, and it's also got rigid tap. Overall, this machine's in very clean, very nice shape. The chip chute on it, so that'll come off for shipping. This concludes the video presentation of the Haas VF1.